Hey guys, it's me Kimberly. This is how we go from drab to fab. The dining room layout is quite simple. There is a window where we're going to put a buffet against, and the reason why we put the buffet there is because along either wall you cannot put a buffet because you need 3 feet to pull out your chairs, so that's not going to work. So this is why the floor plan is super simple. But great big 108-inch table with dining chairs, nice big carpet to ground the space. And guys, remember, when you're putting down a carpet, you need 3 feet extra to pull out your chair, so be careful so it doesn't get caught on the carpet. And then a beautiful credenza right in front of the window to highlight your focal point of the space. The color palette for this home was super neutral, taupes and taupey grays, warm colors, beiges. We did some blue in the carpet, and then we also pulled blue into the artwork, blue and gold with a gold frame to tie in that little bit of gold that is now bounced off into our chandelier and also on our cabinet at the back. It's a beautiful solid made birch cabinet with 90 cloud stain with a little bit of brass gold finish along the trim. Okay, so let's talk about the accessories. So let's talk about the walls first. So on the right hand side, we have 9 beautiful mirrors from Uttermost. You can buy them on our online shop. We have across from that 2 pieces of art, and again, it's really nice to mix art and object art together, or mirrors, so that's a beautiful complement. Then we have 2 lamps which have a little bit of gold in it, a little bit of taupe, a little bit of brownie, absolutely pretty. And then on the table, a nice great big gold boat with a floral arrangement. In the curtains, we chose 2 with rings. They're box pleat, reverse box pleat. They're super stunning and elegant, and they stack back beautifully and look pleated. Guys, this chandelier is to die for. I put it in my Florida home. I'll show you that real soon. And it is available to our US friends online. I truly believe you should live in rooms you love. Watch our videos and we'll show you how we take our projects to the next level. If you have a space that you would like to get done, don't forget to sign up for our free design program.